guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're returning. I am Beauty Heathen. Sorry the past week or so has been a bit chaotic and I wasn't able to upload as often as I try to do so. But I wanted to get back into the swing of things with a return to our Sunday manifestation moments. So let's see what messages people most need to hear at this time regarding manifestation. Let's see here. Oh, so automatically we're going to be writing some things. I am loved and supported by others. Abundance surrounds me in many forms. Everything I dream of is achievable. My desires are destined to become a reality. Oh. Wow. Wow. There's plenty of abundance for everyone. Okay. So, right off the bat, frequently I tell people on my channel that when something pops up one time, it can sometimes be ignored or skipped over or considered a coincidence. But when it pops up second time, third time, it's a sign. So this might also be a sign for myself, because I know personally I was journaling each day and I got out of the habit and I haven't been doing it like I should be. And by journaling, I mean each day starting off my day with writing down 3 things I'm grateful for. Excuse me. And 3 things I'm manifesting. And I write them down as if I have them now. So with journaling, it came up before I am loved and supported by others. So perhaps you may be feeling like you're all alone, or like those around you are not necessarily going to approve of or support your goals in some way. So what I want you to do is write down, as part of the things that you want to manifest, I am so grateful that the people that I love me and support me in all things that I do. Or with your own words. And you may even want to write down, abundance surrounds me in many forms. So this is definitely, I get the sense, also a call to be mindful and recognize of all the things that you already have. And definitely to write down things that you are grateful for that you have right now. hold on to the faith and the mentality that your desires can absolutely manifest and come to fruition. I know it can be really hard to hold on to that faith sometimes, especially when you can't see how or in what way it might come to pass. But sometimes the best thing you can do is give your trust up to the universe and have faith that it is going to support you and help you in all things that you seek to achieve and work towards achieving. My desires are destined to become a reality. This is also part of holding on to that mindset. Keep in mind, I absolutely do not preach any toxic positivity bullshit on my channel. I really don't. It actually bothers me when people say you have to be positive 24/7, 365 in order to manifest what it is you want and dream of. That's not real life. It's not reality. No, you do not. But it helps to try to at least start off your day, each day recognizing what you already have and writing down the things that you want to achieve as if you already have them. And then we have these two blanks with there is plenty of abundance for everyone. I know it can be really hard, especially when you are trying to manifest something for yourself and it's like, well, this realm is saturated with people, or this thing that I really love seems to have so much competition in it. And I know that can often make you feel discouraged, especially if you may not be growing as fast as you'd like, becoming abundant as much fast as you'd like. But keep in mind that there are ways that you can absolutely carve out your own niche, even when things may seem hyper-saturated or with a lot of people. That doesn't mean that you can't be unique and draw your own group of people. You know what I mean? And one of the important things to recognize is if you find yourself having limiting mentalities, if you find yourself going, well, I'm not sure I'm ever going to ever have a breakthrough because, you know, there's so many people in this arena and, you know, I'm not sure anyone will ever really pay attention to me or like what I'm trying to sell or bring across. Recognize that in that moment as a limiting mentality. There is absolutely not one single reason why you can't manifest exactly what it is you want. The universe is infinite. It has infinite possibilities. And through that infinite, keep in mind that there is more than enough to go around. There's no reason why just because people who are ABC have all of these things and have achieved all of these things, there's no reason why you can't achieve what they have too in your own way. Okay? I know it can be really hard, and I know personally sometimes I struggle with that as well. I look at, just as an example, sometimes I look at, you know, how some channels grow like overnight with the snap of your fingers, all of a sudden they go from very small amounts of people to exploding. And it's hard to sometimes not look at other people and be like, well, how come they got it but I didn't? But do your best that when you notice yourself having those thoughts, to try to say, you know what? Just because they achieved it doesn't mean that I can't do it too. I just may have to go about it in a different way. So try to hold on to that hope, that faith, that thought process within you in order to ensure that you stay on the right track. If you feel like you need to make adjustments here or there, be mindful of that. Test the waters. Try making a few adjustments and see how it plays out. Actually sensing to draw 3 more cards tonight. My goals are more important than my fears. I earn lots of money pursuing my true passion. And the universe is always guiding me to success. So some of these kind of sort of have divine timing aspects to them. Especially the universe is always guiding me to success. It is natural and normal to be afraid. It is natural and normal to be afraid of failure. Even for some people to be afraid of success. That is a completely natural, normal, human thing to feel. But keep in mind that sometimes you have to do whatever you can to overcome those times when your anxiety is spiked out of control or you're afraid of something. Because so often what it is you wish for and dream of is on the other side of fear. And sometimes the universe likes to put little tests in your path just to see how much you want it and to make you work for it. Make sure that whatever it is that you want to do, that it's something that you're passionate about, because the more passionate about it you are, the more energy you put into it and the more likely you'll stick with it. And try to pay attention to signs. If you think something and then all of a sudden something comes up that is kind of along the lines of something you had either voiced or thought to yourself might be interesting, or something that you might want to explore, take that as a sign to, even if it's not that specific thing that popped up, and you look at others, take it as a sign that it's an avenue that you